Gracias, President. Do you want Catalonia to be an independent state in the form of a republic? The Catalan people will be called by our government to answer that clear question by voting next October 1st. And despite further threats and pressures that may come from the Spanish authorities, we will make our choice. We will exercise our democratic right, even if the Spanish state doesn't want us to. Because in democracy, setting out ballot boxes and letting people vote can never be illegal. And for a democracy, to prevent a legitimate and widely demanded vote would be a dour, perverse undertaking that no democrat should accept. The people of Catalonia will vote because it's our right, and this will be our opportunity to democratically take leave of a state with pervasive corruption, inefficient institutions, a politicized judiciary, and with a poor record in social justice and shared progress. And Europe will then gain a new modern republic.